So guys, a lot of people using for Photoshop, Corel Draw, lot of options are using for making logo purpose. Some people using for Canva also. The one more website will be given in online for free logo option. The logo maker dot thehoth.com. This website we can making for complete logo purpose. In this one, these all option will be there. First of all, what are the symbols are needed? Text option, add shape, and business card, and upload images. Lot of the options are here. In this free logo making completely free option will be there. Selecting for new option. Here, what are the options are needed? You can selecting all option will be here. So your text if you want, or else undo here. Symbol. What are the symbol you want? Here the symbol categories. Abstract, animal and pets, arrow, arts and design, automatic, avatars. So these all options are there. You can selecting for which is your useful one. You can select it here. So these are the number of categories. So here, what are the looking for in this? You can use the particular logo symbol. Technology. So here we can use the particular option will be there. So just I'm selecting for marketing in this one. So which will be suitable? Select it here. Add your text option. So I'm adding here. So in this. So what are the shape you want? You can add the particular shapes here. So here only we can selecting for in a particular shape here. So in this. So what are the we can selecting for shapes? Different shapes are there, but I'm not showing any shapes. Just I'm selecting for in this option. After that, selecting for preview here from T-shirt, mug, logo, and any business card, and here in the website also. Now save and download. So different sizes will be there. Just I'm only selecting for simple logo option. Just it will be finished by within 5 minutes. Just select the symbol and text and shape for business card and upload your own image also. Upload your own image also. After that, you can selecting for grid option, background colors. If you want anything background color, you require. After selecting color, if not required, undo this will be there. After that, save. In this image will be saved on only for particular email address. No save for particular Gmail. No particular for website on the this logo will be using for website and social media purpose. But this logo will be done only for email, not for the desktop and any laptops. So here I'm enter the my Gmail, save and continue. Just a few seconds, the email will be received. You can download the logo will be different formats. So logo has been sent. Copy the clipboard. Now I'm open for mail ID. So we can receive by mail. Yeah, just download zip format. Select your folder. Extract file. Logo here. Logo will be downloaded here in this PNG format and JPG format, and they will be coming to PNG format here. So this. What are the format required? The logo will be downloaded by particular format here. So this is called we can logo for making as you are how we can design required. We can logo will be download this option will be there. This is a completely free logo. We can using for free symbols and we can make it download for n number of video you can make and download it. But the download will be complete depend on by email address.